a team and print a team sheet on JustGo. Okay, as an administrator, you'll look in the My Club area and click on Team Profiles. Okay, so this is the team management section. If you have any teams created already, you'll see them here. And to be able to see which teams you have, you click on this switch button here. When you see switch, it means you've got more than one team. So in this case, I have a couple created, so I'll just look at those. So when I hit switch, I can see which teams I have created here. Okay, so in this case, I'm just going to go through this Camogie team, and then I'll show you how to create a new team. So for each team, there's basic details. When you're creating a new one, this will all be entered, but I'll show you this if you ever want to update anything. So the team ID is allocated by the system. It's assigned automatically. You put the team name in there. You go and select the category from U10 up to senior. The team type, men's, ladies, or mixed, co-ed. And then the age group. And so for a senior team, you'll hit 18 plus. You want to enter in the contact name, phone number, and email address of the team manager. And then hit save once you've put that information in. Under team reports, this is actually where you can print a team list. It's called a team roster in JustGo. So you would click on download. But I'm going to show you first how to create the team, and then we'll come back to how to download it. Okay, under team details, there isn't actually any fields here. Here you can upload a photo of the team, so you can add it at any point. You can add that when you're setting it up or later. Okay, so for team members. So in this case, I have 11 team members added, or 12 team members added to this team. So if I wanted to search, if this is a longer list and I wanted to search a player and find out, so I'll just hit, say, first name and hit search, and this will show me the 2 Lisas that are on the team currently. Okay, so if I wanted to, and then just hit search to get back all the players. So if I wanted to add a new member to the team, I would hit add member. This would give me all the members within my club that I can choose from. So in this case, if I want to add Nicole to the team, I'll search for her this way, hit search, there she is. I'll hit the plus sign or the check mark and then hit done, and she's been added to the team. So if I decide that, oh, actually, no, I don't want Nicole on that team, she's on the football team as an example, I can just go here and remove her. Are you sure you want to remove? And hit yes. Okay, and if I want to view the profile of one of the members, I can just hit view profile. So that's how you add members. So you would just hit the add members plus sign. You'll see all the members here. You could also you don't even have to add the name. Say I want to add this person, I just hit the check mark and then they've been added once you hit done. Okay, so there's Chantel, who I just selected. So if I want to remove her, then hit remove and hit yes. Okay, so that's how you add all the members to a particular team. In this case, I'm adding them to the Camogie team. So now if I want to, before game day, want to go and print a team sheet. So again, basic details, what I hit is team reports, and then I hit download. Okay, and then I get a PDF that shows me all of those players I have added to that team. Okay, and then you print that off and you take it on the day and give it to the referee. Now, if you might have 15 players starting, but you might have 20 on the roster. All 20 are going to be printed on here, and you'll notice that the shirt number is left blank and the game status. So on the day, you would print this out, print 2 copies, so you can give one to the referee, and there's a spare for yourself. And so you put the shirt number and the game status there of who's playing that day, and then put the total numbers of players at the game. Okay, so that's how you go about printing out a team sheet for a particular team. So now if you wanted to add a team, I'll show you that. So you just are here back at team management, you hit the plus sign. Okay, so I'm going to call this team senior ladies football and hit save. So now team has been created and I can work on the profile. Okay, so I'll go to the basic details and I want to update them now because I want to say, okay, this is my senior ladies 18 plus. I'm going to put my name as the contact, fill in the phone number and the email address. Okay, and make sure to hit save before you go Past that step. Team reports, you don't need to look at at this point. I can upload a photo for the team if I wish. And then I want to go to team members. Okay, so right now I don't have any team members, 0 members. So if I want to add a member, I can say, okay, I'm going to add Florence, I'm going to add Nicole, Zoe, and you know what? I know I want Carrie on that team, so I'm going to search for her. Okay, yep, there she is there, so I'm going to add her. So those are all the people that I've added, so that's how quick it is. Then I think, oh, okay, actually, no, you know what? Florence isn't on that team, so I'm going to remove her. Hit yes there. Okay, so say I've got my 20 players here on this team, and the game is tomorrow, so I want to go to Team Reports, download a report, and there you go. That's the 3 that I added, and so that's how quick it is to create and add a team. You can even do this on, on your mobile, but this is recorded on the desktop. And so again, if I want to look at all the different teams created, they're right here. Okay, just hit on that. So there you go. Hope that covers how to create a team sheet and print off a team sheet.